Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I wanted to walk you through this 2020 Harris Solstice. This is a 25-foot pontoon. This is what they call the CWDH, so center walk-through with dual helm seats. As you can see, it has the nice gray interior and then a little bit darker gray with the accent color. You have the JL audio upgraded system, so we got speakers, we got a subwoofer, JL top of the line. We got cup holders, places for your phones. The Solstice does come with the armrests that go down with cup holders inside those as well. We've got storage in the floor because it's a tri-tune, so there's extra storage right there for you. Like I said, it has the dual helm seats. Both of these seats will do a 360. They'll move back and forward. Obviously the armrest, and then they do recline as well. Mercury 200 horse 4-stroke on this with the digital throttle. We have the lighting package, so all the cup holders light up, all sorts of different colors. Right now they're in blue, but you kind of have that, gives it a nice little look on the inside. You've got another seating area right here. Again, storage underneath all of these seats, which is really nice. These just pop out like this. We've got a battery in here and then a charger as well. And then because it's 25 feet, we do have the extended swim platform back here. So you got a nice telescoping stainless steel ladder in the back. You got plenty of space back in here. This boat is here at our Rogers location if you want to come take a look. And as always, click the like button and click to subscribe.